You need your car fixed. It's right after an accident. What do? First thing you do is you call your insurance company and ask to speak with the property damage adjuster. So they'll come out, they'll take pictures, and they'll say, okay, well, this is an estimate. They may say, go to this, body shop, get an estimate on what the damage is. If it's a total loss, they got to give you the fair market value. So most people have the minimum coverage in Florida, which is only $10,000 in property damage. If your vehicle is worth less than that, there's probably coverage if the other person has any insurance. If they don't, and a lot of people are uninsured, then you want to make sure you have collision, you want to have comprehensive, towing and labor, and rental car insurance. So a lot of people, they don't have that rental car insurance, for instance. If you don't be expecting the other side to pay for that unless that other person somehow has that coverage. And you can still put that in as part of the claim. If you have a bodily injury claim as well, you can say, well, my client was out of pocket for this. But here's the reality. Lawyers don't deal with property damage. Why? The truth is there's no money in it. Also, it's probably just quicker if you just go meet them, meet the adjuster, and get it done yourself. One of the ways you can do that, you find out what the value of the vehicle is, go to kbb.com. That's Kelley Blue Book. You can figure out, just generally what the value of the car is. Now, you also are entitled to what's called diminution in value. That's some fancy lawyer words for your car is worth less because it doesn't have a clean Carfax. It's been in an accident. So if your car had never been in an accident before, now it's in an accident, it's worth less, you should get paid for that diminution in value. So that's part of the claim that you want to put in as well. Not just, oh, fix the car, give me some money for the diminution in value. So property damage is separate, though, from a bodily injury claim. So bodily injury claims, that's what we personal injury lawyers, that's what we handle when you're personally injured, not your vehicle, you're personally injured. So even though, those are separate, I can tell you at my office and a lot of lawyers' offices, we'll kind of steer you in the right direction for property damage, how to handle that, calling the adjuster, getting them out there, getting the car fixed. But it's something you can handle yourself. Until next time, this is Gray from graytesh.com. Remember, law is not black or white, it's gray.